Damn, I knew HP printers were bad, but I didn't realise you have to have a HP account to use this printer via Wi-Fi. So it's a HP Envy 6430E. I've just freshly reset it, and this is what we're coming up with. What a joke. HP Plus printer uses cloud to deliver key features and functions. To do this requires an account. I'll go back. And that is not what I want. Close. Ah, look, we're back here. Cannot create an account. Sure. I don't see the value. Submit. Let's resolve this. Exit setup. Am I going to be able to print from my phone to the Wi-Fi printer? I don't know. Hey! Printer. Not connected. Cool, that's fine. Now I'm just going to see if I can print a document that's on here. Just give me a moment. Printables. I don't want this. Where's my documents? Copy, scan, print document. Wow. Close. That is terrible. Can I scan? Everything requires an account. So I found an account. This Epson printer will not work. What an absolute joke. Granted, you still could potentially bypass it and go via USB. That's terrible. It's a Wi-Fi printer that you cannot print Wi-Fi unless you create one of their software or create an account. No wonder this brand is tanking. No wonder I don't recommend them. Buy a Brother instead. Bye.